Made popular by the Dukan diet, Oat Bran is a fibrous husk that surrounds and protects the oat grain or oat groat. This healthy cereal is henceforth recommended by nutritionists and diabetologists for its beneficial action on overweight, obesity and diabetes. And not only that, in this video you will discover the 10 health and slimming benefits of Oat Bran. Oat Bran owes its medicinal virtues to its wealth in a type of rare fiber, beta-glucans, which are the most effective soluble fibers and one of the gentlest. But as gentle as they are, it's best to start gradually and increase steadily, as is the case in the classic Dukan diet method and in that of the nutritional staircase. And here we go! Number 1. Oat Bran replaces white flour in baked goods and pastry products. The cereal equivalent with nature's slowest carbohydrates is a healthy alternative to wheat flour and corn or maize flour, which explains its current interest. Number 2. Oat Bran improves intestinal microbiota, also called intestinal microflora or gut flora. Unlike white flour, Oat Bran is packed with vitamins, minerals and fiber beneficial to gut health. Number 3. Oat Bran prevents constipation without irritating the intestines. Its soluble fibers, beta-glucans, gently accelerate intestinal transit and help in the removal of toxins. Number 4. Oat Bran strengthens immunity thanks to beta-glucan, a natural immune stimulator that enhances the immune system. In doing so, Oat Bran increases the resistance to disease and ability to fight infections. Number 5. Oat Bran traps fat, sugars and calories thanks to its natural viscosity. When Oat Bran mixed up with the broken down food reaches the small intestine, small bowel, it captures up to 3% of fats, sugars and calories, drags them straight to the large intestine, colon and end up together in the stools. Number 6. Oat Bran maintains a normal and healthy cholesterol level. Ingesting 3 grams of beta-glucans every day, or the equivalent of 3 tablespoons of Oat Bran per day, results in the lowering of total blood cholesterol as well as bad LDL cholesterol levels, while having no detrimental effect on good HDL cholesterol levels. Number 7. Oat Bran regulates blood sugar levels, which help fight against diabetes. Consuming Oat Bran with a large glass of water during a meal controls postprandial glycemia. In other words, the rise in blood glucose immediately following a meal. Number 8. Oat Bran exerts a powerful satiating effect. Its high absorption capacity allows it to expand more than 20 times its volume in water and swell in the stomach, thereby increasing the sensation of feeling full. Number 9. Oat Bran facilitates healthy weight loss. On the one hand, by causing a steady and painless loss of fat, sugar and calories. On the other hand, by provoking a sensation of satiety and thus reducing the urge to continue eating. Number 10. Oat Bran promotes heart health by reducing risk factors for heart disease, such as excess body weight, excess blood cholesterol and excess blood sugar.